workshop has been very, very enlightening. It has added so much value to all the participants, especially those of us that are not from computing background. The language of instruction has been very simple, and the demonstration has been easy to follow for all of us. I think it has demystified so many things about the use of artificial intelligence in the academics, in conducting research, in teaching, and even in evaluating students' knowledge about what is being taught. I want to appreciate the resource persons. It has been really, really fruitful.
Then if you ask us this question, is your board subject to Children's Online Privacy Protection Act? You can read it and understand what it is, but it's not subject to it because it's just an academic board.
Flagship faculty in University of Ilorin, the Faculty of Communication and Information Sciences. I'm happy that although I was not able to start this program with you yesterday, at least the much that I met has given me an insight into how interesting, enlightening, and highly educative the program has been. I want to thank Dr. Biden for facilitating this program. When he came to inform me that the AWS Cloud and Generative Group wants to hold an AI workshop with us, I was positive that it's going to be of high impact on everybody. And I'm particularly happy that all the segments that constitute the personality of our faculty are represented here.
The training session is on the application of artificial intelligence tools in teaching and research. What we are doing is we are trying to train our staffs on how to use artificial intelligence to carry out their teaching activity and to also carry out their research activity. So that, in this age of AI, we are no more working hard, we are working smarter. Those days we work hard by putting in more energy and more time. But now AI has come to elevate that for us by helping us to work faster, smarter, with less energy and even little time. So what we want to do is I want to bring our teachers up to the level of using these tools so that in turn they can also teach our postgraduate students and even our undergraduate students on how to use these tools to carry out their tasks faster and smarter.
Okay, the essence of the workshop is because we want to talk about technology, and artificial intelligence, as we all know, is an emerging technology. Even though it has come to be, it is still emerging because there are still new innovations going on. So we had to hold this conference and this workshop to be able to tell the lecturers, especially for lecturers who are in the department and faculty that talk about and teach students about technology, on the use of technology and how they can also leverage technologies in the work that they do as lecturers, especially in terms of research and in terms of the overall work that they do for the school and for themselves.
See, the workshop is essentially to catch up with the trend in technology. The trend now is about artificial intelligence, and that's the focus from different perspectives. First, on how to use AI for research process, starting from the generating idea, going through all the research process, including literature review and even analysis. Prior to that, we also learned about using like an introductory aspect of AI, what it means, how AI does its things, and the ethical dimension of AI. We have also learned about that.
In fact, it's fantastic. It's an eye opener. It helps a lot in teaching and in research. It really, in fact, it has broadened our understanding. Despite I'm in IT, but with what we have learned here, in fact, one can go to places. You can create ChatGPT yourself, how you can do research, you can do ethical research with the AI tools that we have learned within the shortest period of time, and which is not something that will just be a research that is based on AI, but with all the techniques that we have learned here, one will be able to use it and do all the framework,